What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing something pretty exciting, and that is going to be attempting to pierce my ears. As you can see, I have my first and second hole done, but I'd really like to have my third hole on both sides, so fingers crossed that the kit that I bought online works and I can get this done without chickening out. So if you'd like to see my attempt at piercing my ears, then keep on watching. Okay, so I am zoomed in now, and before I get started, I'm just going to show you my supplies here. So I got these little disposable ear piercing kits. I believe this was on Shein, if I remember correctly. And I got one for each side, because you're not supposed to reuse them, obviously, and they're preloaded with a little earring. So I am also going to be wearing gloves and cleaning off my ear with some alcohol wipes just to be as sanitary as possible, because anytime you obviously pierce into your skin, you have a risk of infection, so make sure you're cleaning everything. And also a disclaimer before I get started, I am by no means a professional piercer or any kind of medical professional, so don't necessarily do what I'm doing. Consult with a professional or speak with your doctor before doing anything like this. I'm just taking a risk, I guess, and doing it on my own. So anyway, I've washed my hands already, and I am going to put gloves on, and then I'm also going to clean my ear just to make sure everything is as sanitary as possible. I'm getting a little bit nervous. I've had many piercings in the past. I used to have my nose pierced, and I had that done a couple different times. And then I had my tongue pierced and my belly button, as well as obviously my 2 ear holes. So hopefully this isn't too bad. And I'm not going to touch the piercer until I'm ready, so let me clean off my ear first. I might need my husband to come in and help me, because it's kind of a weird angle to try to look at what you're doing. Let me do this side first. So I'm cleaning the front and back. And I'm going to be looking at my mirror over here just so I make sure I'm piercing it in the right hole, because we don't want to miss what we're doing here. Okay, so from what I understand is you line it up how you're going to pierce it, and then you just push in this little blue plunger. I don't know if it's hard to see because of my lights, but let me shadow it a little bit. See that little earring that's already preloaded in there? That's the top, and then the needle part that goes in. And then the back will come out too, so we'll see. Smells like chemicals, but that might just be my ear. So both sides, I've noticed that the spacing is a little bit different. Like this piercer went a little further back on this one, so I'm just going to try to make it even on each side as best I can without making them identical. So I'm not sure if this is like a push action situation or what, but I'm freaking out a little bit. I don't think there's a reason that people don't do this on their own, I think. And how do you know if it's lined up? Does it pinch your ear? Baby! I need moral support! He's in the other room building a computer right now, so he said he would help me though. I need moral support. I'm scared. I don't know if I can do it. I don't know if I can do it.
You can.
I don't know how to line it up. Like, how do you see to line it up? Because, like, you have the back. Like, where's the back supposed to go? You know? Like, does that look like a right spot?
Yeah.
Like, is that too close to the edge? Like, I can't see what I'm doing, you know?
Yeah.
So you push this part together, and then you push this in. I don't know if I can do it. How do people do this to themselves? I think I could do it to you, easy. Can you do it to me? Maybe I should just do one anyway, so I have one good ear to sleep on, and then wait to do the other one.
Right.
Would I be able to see this side better? Maybe. That side actually seems like it might be easier to do. Okay guys, I'm freaking out. I think I'm going to do this side first because it's an easier angle for me to reach, and then maybe I'll stop there, let this one heal up a little bit more so then I have a good ear to sleep on. But if this one doesn't go too bad, I might do the second one, so we'll see what happens. But
Do it!
baby, I'm scared I'm going to frick up. The part about this that's hard is not being able to frickin' see all the angles, you know? I know, but it's scary, babe. My eye's twitching. My stress is like... Okay, psych. I'm just going to do this side. This is scary. But I feel like once I do it, I'll be fine. You know what I mean? Oh my god, I can't push it. God, this is hard to push, babe. I almost did it too, and it was like really hard. You have to break these little like plastic tabs off. I almost did it that last time, but it's hard.
Get it lined up, get it lined up, get it lined up.
I'm lining it.
Get psyched, get pumped.
Babe, stop yelling at me.
Feel it.
I wish I knew what the back was
It's
looking.
all you.
Baby?
Words.
Ah!
Get some.
Ah! That does look kind of weird positioned.
Well,
Oh my god, it doesn't look stupid.
no, I think once it heals and you get another one of your loop things, I don't think it will look bad.
Okay guys, this looks really weird with my earrings, but there you go, I did it. I hope I look terrified in my video because I was. Don't leave me now. I need to calm down. It's not bleeding or anything, so that's cool. Okay, so I did it. I think it looks okay. I think it looks a little high up, but I feel like that's just because it looks weird, like the stud next to my rings. So I don't know. I'm going to leave it in for now, see if I can get it to heal and everything, and I wish you could see how sweaty my hands were from that experience because I was scared. But it doesn't really hurt anymore. It's like kind of tender, I would say, but not too bad. So I'm going to be cleaning it twice a day at least, just to make sure that it doesn't get infected, and we'll see how this goes. I am going to wait to do this other side, I think, just to see how this all goes. But overall, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be once I pulled the trigger, so to speak. But just getting that, like, nerve to do it is scary. So overall, I'm glad I did it. We'll see what it looks like. I'm hoping to switch out to another little hoop soon, just to kind of go with my kind of simplistic look here. But I feel like, see what I mean on this side, how they kind of put this second hole really far back? So I don't know what that little stud would look like. So we'll see. I might actually just have a piercer do that one just to see what their opinion is on that. But overall, I don't think I did too bad. Thank you guys for hanging with me through that. I know it took like way longer than it should have because I'm a wimp, but I'm glad I did it. So there's that, and I think my next video that's coming up, just to let you know, is going to be my skincare routine if any of you are curious. And other than that, I hope to see you guys in that video, and have a great rest of your day. Bye guys.